Big thank you to the PETLIV team for very kindly sending out to us this automated pet feeder to try out. Straight out of the box there, it is a really high quality machine. It has 2 different sides on there. So once you've set it all up, which was really simple, there was a manual in there and everything you need. You'll notice that on there is a 4-litre water dispenser on the left and a 5-litre food hopper on the right. Both have a clear panel on the front so you can see exactly how much is left, which means it's easier to know when it needs to be cleaned out and refilled. It really does give you that peace of mind that they'll have everything that they need. So perhaps you are out during the day, maybe you want a couple of days away, they're going to have everything that they need and you can see at a glance when it needs to be refilled. What makes this a little bit different, it connects over Wi-Fi and also 5G, so you've got full control. You also have access to a free app and there's instructions in the booklet there to download that, and it connects very quickly to the device. So when you're at home, you can always check in using that amazing camera on the front there and dispense food either on a schedule or when you decide, just by pressing the button. On the practical side, it has an anti-clog design, keeping that food flowing smoothly, and a dual power supply. So if in the event of a power cut, it does have a battery in there so that it will consistently keep feeding even if the power goes. Overall, we found it to be a really smart, reliable feeder. It's a really nice quality. It has a really great capacity as well. So if you are out and about quite frequently, it'll give you that peace of mind that they're going to be fed and watered and satisfied. So if you're looking for a way to make feeding a little bit easier and consistent, and you want to stay connected to your pets when you're not there, this is going to be a great option. And I really like the app as well. That was a really great reassurance. Thank you again to the team. It has been a really great addition to our house.